I will let you know 5 double consonants. You already learned about the base consonant, right? It's just same, so similar, just you can pronounce more stronger. The first one, ka. Ka. You know, at the bottom, you can read ka, G sound, more soft. Ka, and then ka with more air. Ka, ka, and then strengthen your tongue like ka, 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 like this. Ka, ka, ka. Next one, ta, ta. Ta, D sound, ta, T sound, ta, T with your air, a lot of air in your mouth, ta, ta, ta. So, ta, ta, ta. Strengthen your tongue, ta, like that, ta. Next one is pa, pa. You know this, oppa, older sister, no, older brother, oppa, like this, or appa, which means father, appa. Pa, B sound, pa, pa, P sound with your more air, pa, and then pa, 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 pa. Next one is sa. So, sa. So the first one, sa, more soft. Sa, and then sa. Sa, sa. Sa, sa. The last one, J sound, JJ sound, right? Ja. Ja, JJ sound. So, ta, J, cha, CH with more air. Ja. Strengthen your tongue. Ja. Ta, cha, ja. Ta, ta, ta. Good job, guys.